as Elon Musk was tweeting about what is now known as X. He wrote, SpaceX launching satellite Doge 1 to the moon next year. Mission paid for in Doge. First crypto in space. First meme in space. To the moon. This was tweeted on May 9, 2021. Coincidentally, or perhaps not, Dogecoin, Doge, reached its most recent all-time high of 73 cents one day later. Now in November 2023, the price hovers around 6 to 7 cents. Returning to the moon subject, it has been over 2 years since Elon Musk's announcement. Since then, the Nova CIM-1 mission, as it's called, has had its launch postponed several times by SpaceX. This Musk-led company is the launch provider for the mission, a collaborative effort between NASA, Geometric Energy Corporation, GEC, and Intuitive Machines. The launch, scheduled for late November 2023, has been pushed to January 12, 2024. Let's refresh our memory about what Dogecoin is. Dogecoin is a fascinating and fun chapter in the world of cryptocurrency. Let's break it down. Dogecoin was created in December 2013 by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, who were more playful than serious about creating a new currency. Dogecoin was designed to mock the serious discussions surrounding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Using the popular Shiba Inu meme, it presented a more lighthearted and approachable face to the crypto world. Unlike Bitcoin, which is often viewed as an investment, Dogecoin encourages more casual use, perfect for online tipping and small transactions. The Dogecoin community is known for its generosity and strong sense of friendship, supporting charitable causes, and even sponsoring a NASCAR race car. They embody a spirit of fun and kindness in the financial world. A huge shout-out to the Dogecoin community on Reddit. With 2.4 million members, they are one of the most active and engaged communities, boasting over 200,000 active users per month. Let's explore Dogecoin's price history. In November 2020, Dogecoin's price varied between 1/4 and 1/3 of 1 cent, significantly lower than its peak in May 2021. Fast forward to May 2021, and we see Dogecoin soaring to an impressive high of around 73 cents. Taking the average November 2020 price as roughly 1/3 of 1 cent, this jump to the May 2021 peak represents a massive 24,487% increase, or 244 times higher than its value in November 2020. This dramatic rise not only highlights the extreme volatility often seen in the cryptocurrency market, but also its incredible potential. The rocket mission launch date fast approaching and the next Bitcoin halving slated for April 2024, speculation about Dogecoin's price is widespread. If Elon Musk's words previously propelled Dogecoin to new heights, what might happen when the mission actually reaches the moon? Could Dogecoin then aim for Mars? Share your thoughts, and join us in exploring this fascinating digital world. Please subscribe and like. Until next time, keep the crypt light shining brighter.